Hi, I'm Chris.
I'm Mohammed.
And I'm Sharon, and welcome to the University of ULaw Birmingham.
The centre is located in the Jewellery Quarter part of the city.
And it's just a walk away from the centre of the second largest city in the UK.
Let's now take you on a tour of the centre. Come on. We've got a really popular library here at the centre. We've got plenty of books for you to take out. If you're at home, don't worry, we've got plenty of online books for you to use, and it's open until 12 midnight.
The lecture theatre is large and there are screens located at various different points. On the LPC, all lectures are recorded, so don't worry if you miss one.
We have regular workshops which allow you to work closely with other students and interact with your tutors, who are all qualified lawyers.
These are one of our BPTC rooms where, as you can see, we've got real courtroom furniture, which is great for practicing and for getting hands-on experience.
This is the canteen, providing you with all your hot and cold foods, including teas and coffees. There's also your favourite snacks that you can grab on the go.
The canteen's also a great place to chill out with friends, catch up on the news, and we also have the occasional quiz night and other social events.
One of the best things about the Birmingham Centre for me are the work experience opportunities. It's available to every single student and it allows you to boost your CV.
With a large number of universities in Birmingham, it's a great place for students to study.
There's great travel links to the rest of the UK and we're just a short walk from the local station. The university has really strong links with the legal community here in the city, with lots of leading law firms and chambers close by.
The iconic Bullring shopping centre should always be the first stop for some retail therapy. The city has all your favourite brands and caters for all styles.
Or you can head to one of the many bars, pubs, clubs or restaurants that can be found all over the city.
And after taking all that Birmingham has to offer, there's always cafes and other places to relax with your friends.